Hello everyone, and welcome to Discovering Middle Tennessee with Team Romines. We're beginning a new series on frequently asked real estate questions. Today we're diving into the exciting world of home buying. If you're a first-time home buyer or just looking to refresh your knowledge, you're in the right place. I'm Andrew Romines, and I'm a realtor with Team Romines at Keller Williams Realty, here to guide you through the initial steps to kickstart your home buying process. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first step in buying a home is understanding your budget. Take a close look at your finances, including your savings, income, and monthly expenses. This will help you determine how much you can comfortably afford for your new home. After understanding your budget, it's crucial to get pre-approved for a mortgage. This step involves working with a lender to determine the exact loan amount you can secure, and that's based on your financial situation and credit score. Now, let's focus on your preferences. Create a list of must-haves and nice-to-haves for your new home. Consider factors like location, number of bedrooms, amenities, and other features that matter to you and your family. Armed with your budget and preferences, it's time to start the home search. You can browse through online listings, attend open houses, and work closely with a real estate agent like myself to find homes that match your criteria. After finding potential homes, schedule viewings to see them in person. Once you find the one you love, work with your realtor to make a competitive offer that aligns with your budget and market conditions. Congratulations, you've just taken the initial steps toward becoming a homeowner. Remember, the home buying process can be both exciting and overwhelming, but having a knowledgeable real estate professional by your side can make all the difference. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on buying, selling, and owning a home. Happy house hunting, and for all your real estate needs, remember, call us. We can help.